Look, guys, it's raining. Only me and the neighbor's grass is green. Theirs is a little bit more greener than mine. Still got a little bit of patches, but you know what? I just threw some seed right in that area right there I'm pointing at, and it's going to be growing in. Got to throw some right there. As a matter of fact, no, I threw some right there too. You already see it. That grass is green. Straight. But it's raining, guys. You know what that means, right? I mean, that grass is going to be growing pretty fast. So make sure you call the right guys. Eric's Lawn and Landscaping.